Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete or clear your search history on Google Map. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to delete or clear your search history, firstly open your Google Map application. Let me click on the search here. You can see the recent search history listed on the screen. Now, go back and click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings. Scroll all the way down and press on Map History. It will display the search histories. Now, suppose you want to delete the search history of today. Then click on Today and tap on Delete Today. Now click on OK. It will delete or clear search history for today. This is how you can delete or clear your search histories on Google Map application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.